Hi, this is the ALCATEL 1B 2022 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one, and by this way we could create the new home screen folders. Just to add here more applications to your folder, you should just hold and drag them to the folder. If you want to give a name, just tap once on the name and enter the new one. By the same way you could rename your folder. If you want to move folder here on the screen or between the screens, just hold and drag it. To remove application from here, hold and drag it to the home screen. If you want to stay with this application on the home screen, if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon on the right upper corner. And also you could remove all of the applications with a folder together, just hold and drag it. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.